questions?
Yeah.
Only students, okay? Yes, get up, get up, get up.
Respected Missile Man of India and former President of India.
No, you,
Respected
silent, silent, hello?
First of all, a very good evening, sir. Sir, you wanted to join Indian Air Force as a pilot. Probably there were 8 vacancies. And on the merit list, your name was on 9th position. And then you decided to work for RGO and made Agni. Sir, do you think that the failures have become the pillars of success? And at the end of the day, Indian citizens do not know about the 8 pilots, but know the 9th one as the President of India. Sir, what would you like to comment on this?
Well, I personally believe, in life, sometimes what you want, you don't achieve. I want to fly, okay? I want to fly as a
Yes,
pilot.
sir.
But instead of that, I started making system to fly, okay? Rocket, missiles, aircraft.
Thank you, sir.
And also, when I became the President of India, I became the Supreme Commander. Then what happened? I told Air Force, I want to fly. Air Force gave me training for some time. Then I flew Su-30 for half an hour. Okay. So ambition fulfilled. You have to work hard. Okay. Next question. Yes. Get up.
Sir.
Where are you?
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Yes.
My question to you is, as we all know that our country is going to have the maximum population of youth in the coming years, still we don't have that good education policies and directions for the youth, because of which they are becoming frustrated. So, what in your opinion should the government of India do to utilize the young population so that the country develops as well as the frustration of the youth comes to an end?
Well, frustration, state of mind. Okay, state of mind. Frustration, you are a young girl, you live in a home, okay? They must give you the courage, okay? They must give you courage. Second one, you in the primary school, which class you are studying? 12. What subject you have taken? Okay. Repeat with me what I am saying. When I do a lot of work, may experience some problems. I will not make problem as my captain. I will become captain of the problem, defeat the problem, and succeed. Yes, that's it.
Sir.
No, that's it. Middle. Already 2 people have asked here. Middle. Yes. Go. Ask, I say. Unless you ask, otherwise I will give the opportunity other one. Shout.
Sir.
No, he is going to ask question. That guy. Mic, give a mic to him. Yes. Ask your question.
Sir, despite of your many failures in your research work, how do you maintain your patience and concentration?
Well, I told you the failure, see, there is a ladder, okay? Have you climbed the ladder? You climb one step, another step. Sometimes you fall down. But you don't give up. You should not give up. One of your principles should be, I will not give up. Whatever happened, I have got an aim in life. Have an aim in life, work hard and achieve. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Last one. Yes, that guy, you get up. Yes, you get up. That the guy, the color shirt guy. Yes.
Sir?
That color shirt guy. Unless you have a color shirt. Yes. Give a mic.
Missile Man
Wait. That fellow is going to
Good
ask.
evening, sir.
Wait. Ask the question.
Sorry, sir.
That boy, you asked the question, is it?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, today in India, the political parties are doing politics in the name of caste and religion. So, sir, what do you think about that? Is it right or wrong?
See, I personally believe political parties. What is politics? Okay, I have defined in Parliament. Okay, politics equal to political politics plus developmental politics. Political politics to fight election, to get member of a legislative committee, assembly, or member of the parliament. Development politics, how to develop a constituency. How to develop a constituency economically developed. So our political leaders should concentrate 70% of the time in the developmental politics. Okay? If the development politics is the participate, then nation will get developed. Religion, other things will become a subset. Okay? No.
Sir.
That upstairs fellow?
Sir.
Anybody upstairs fellow? No question for upstairs guy? No, 1 minute. No question for upstairs? Shout. Yes, shout. What is it?
What is meaning of success, sir?
Well, there is success. What is that upstairs guy says, what the meaning of success? Isn't it? What is the meaning of success? Fantastic question you fellow has asked. Success is a very abstract term. I personally believe when you succeed, there are many problems come across. Every time the problem you should not allow as your masters. You should become the master. Continuously, finally when you succeed, that's not the end also. There's a continuous process of upgrading a person. That is, you have to build character, you have to build strength to face the problem, and you have to build how to succeed in life. All these three things should come. Success is a combination of creativity, righteousness and courage. Success equal to creativity, righteousness plus courage. All the three you should have to have a success. Okay? Okay friends, wish you all the best.
I have a question, sir.
No, 1 minute.
Sir, please, sir.
No,
Only one question, sir, please.
How can you say one question? Only one question?
Yes. Sir, only one question, sir, please. Very requested to you, sir. Please, sir. Only one question.
Where are you?
Sir, I am.
Where are you?
I am, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I speak to Hindi.
Wait,
सर मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ सर कि
in Chhattisgarh language you speak.
मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ सर कि विज्ञान में हर क्षेत्र में रिसर्च हो रहे हैं, अनुसंधान हो रहे हैं, हर सेक्टर में अनुसंधान हो रहे हैं सर, लेकिन ओनली केवल धर्म के क्षेत्र में कोई अनुसंधान नहीं, उसमें भी रिसर्च होना चाहिए सर। मैं प्रॉपर एक धर्म के बारे में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं हर धर्म के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ। मैं किसी भी धर्म से जुड़ा हूँ नहीं, इस सेक्टर मैंने अभी खड़ा हूँ, तो इस समय मैं किसी भी धर्म से हर धर्म को मैं मानता हूँ, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई हर धर्म को मैं मानता हूँ सर, लेकिन उसमें रिसर्च होना चाहिए। आज अत्याचार इसी के कारण बढ़ रहे सर, क्योंकि उसमें रिसर्च नहीं होता।
Okay. You are giving a lecture now. You are giving a lecture. आपका लेक्चर अच्छा है। Now wait a second. Now there are many discovery in science. Your idea, you said there are many discovery in science. What happened to religion? Isn't it? That is the essence. Is it the essence? Many discovery. This fellow, what are you doing? Which class you are studying? BSc, PhD. BSc first year. What science? Is it chemistry or physics, chemistry, maths? Okay. Now, it's a very good question you asked. Okay. Science, the foundation is question. Okay. You question till you get an answer theoretically or experimentally, then only science can get satisfied. Okay. Science you cannot cheat. You have to go on answering, and theoretically you have to prove, or experimentally prove, or combination to prove, and present one of the scientific forum, people to accept. This happened to Einstein, it happened to Sir C.V. Raman, it happened to Srinivasa Ramanujan. Even though they become Nobeler, their scientific theory they have to present the scientific forum. Religion has got two components. One is theology, another is spirituality. This is made on logic. You can't have logic there in religion. It's a faith. Okay, faith. That is, you have to believe. After all, human beings, one is science will give you prosperity. This light it has given. Okay, telephone it has given. So it has given, and agriculture productivity has got 250 million ton. Whereas we need something more than that. We are full-fledged human being. That is faith. Okay, this faith, there is theology and spirituality. You cannot question. But one thing you can do in religion, spirituality is common for all the religions. Okay, you know what religion is equal to? Theology and spirituality. Theology is unique to every religion, but spirituality common to all religion. We can bridge, we can make bridges between the religions, and smooth living is possible according to me. Okay? Now friends, all of you repeat with me: ignited mind, ignited mind, ignited mind. Ignited mind of the youth is the most powerful resource on the earth, above the earth, under the earth. So any question if you have, by mail apj@abdulkalam.com, apj@abdulkalam.com. Any autograph you need, apj@abdulkalam.com. You will get 24 hours reply. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. These moments will always remain in our hearts. Now I would request Registrar Shri K.K. Chandrakar ji to please propose vote of thanks, please.
विश्वविद्यालय के स्वर्ण जयंती वर्ष के शुभ अवसर पर वर्ष भर आयोजित होने वाले विभिन्न कार्यक्रमों की श्रृंखला में आज हमारे बीच माननीय पूर्व राष्ट्रपति भारत रत्न डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम को पाकर विश्वविद्यालय परिवार अत्यंत गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहा है। माननीय पूर्व राष्ट्रपति द्वारा अपने रोचक व्याख्यान में अत्यंत सरल तरीके से विभिन्न गंभीर विषयों पर महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी दी है, जिसका भरपूर लाभ उपस्थित शिक्षकों, शोधार्थियों एवं छात्रों को मिला। इसके लिए विश्वविद्यालय परिवार की ओर से धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करते हैं तथा आशा करते हैं कि भविष्य में भी माननीय पूर्व राष्ट्रपति जी का विश्वविद्यालय के शिक्षकों, छात्रों, शोधार्थियों एवं स्कूल के विद्यार्थियों को मार्गदर्शन एवं आशीर्वाद प्राप्त होता रहेगा। मैं विश्वविद्यालय के कुलपति प्रोफेसर SK पांडे का आभारी हूँ, जिनकी प्रेरणा एवं सतत प्रयास से सफलतापूर्वक कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया जा सका। मैं इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित सभी अतिथियों का, शिक्षकों का एवं अधिकारियों के प्रति आभार ज्ञापित करता हूँ। अंत में मैं पुलिस प्रशासन, मीडिया प्रतिनिधि, उपस्थित छात्र छात्राओं का एवं उन सभी लोगों का आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ जिन्होंने प्रत्यक्ष एवं प्रत्यक्ष रूप से इस व्याख्यान के आयोजन को सफल बनाने के लिए सहयोग प्रदान किया। जय हिंद, धन्यवाद।
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for national anthem.